some scrap metal? Scrap metal. I would really appreciate some. Did I mention my need for scrap metal? Alright, we just faced these guys. Keep flying. Baby, what are you doing back there? Uh-oh. Well, Lemonade and I are running. Go, Lemon, go. I don't know what the fuck that's about, but I'm out. David, come on, David. Come on, David. Keep an eye out. There's one coming right over here. He's dead. He's dead. Just get him in the cab. Get his cab. Get his cab. Get his cab. He's dead. He's done. Hannah's dead. Keep going. Keep going. Good shit. Good shit. You got it, buddy. Good shit, Lemonade.